Hi, and welcome to my channel, Lulu's World Influencer Box video. I actually got this box while I was working on and off with trying to get my account back to where it was with Influenster. I was at war with them, and then it got to the point where I was just gonna give up on them, and I'm still on the fence because my account got ruined. And it's been restored back to its old self since for the last week or so, say. But right when the new year happened, my account was wiped out, or at least that's what I noticed. And I've been a member for several years now, so as you can imagine, I was really annoyed and PO'd. And I had noticed previously that other people had complained that that happened to them, and then it happened to me, and it will probably happen to you. So while I still get free stuff from them to try and give my honest review, I'm going to do that. And so I got this little box from them, which was their collaboration with BeautyBlender, and it's their Summer Skin Everyday box, or Vox box. But yeah, we're in the winter, so I was a little confused about this. Although, generally speaking, I would rather be in the summer than in the winter, but I was just a little confused by this. So we're trying to jump ahead to the summer while we're still in winter. And I did cut this open. I haven't looked into this yet until now. And I did see online other people's boxes that were like mine. And I saw what I might be getting. And inside, when you open it up, it has launch the app, raise your voice, show the world, please recycle me. Yes, we will. Recycle you. And then there's a postcard from Influenster. And I figured I was getting a sample size item, which I did. And I wasn't sure if I was going to get multiple items or just one. It looks like there's just one in here, which is fine. And it tells you about the product, or maybe one of the products that you got. Oh, it's a highlighter and bronzer duo. Okay, so it's 2-in-1 mini from what it looks like. And you get a postcard, and the postcard on one side shows this image with this lady. She's pretty. And information about how to do the activities for this promotion with BeautyBlender and Influencer. And it says, get started, log into your Influencer profile on the app and check out the BeautyBlender campaign. Sorry, the lighting is a little... I'm in my room right now and it's night. It's nighttime. It's 7:16 in the afternoon or evening, Eastern Standard Time. Test your products. Follow the instruction in your campaign and leave a review. Then it says, check your campaign for important instructions regarding disclosure. Okay. And then on the other side, it says glow perfected with PH in the parentheses. So it's glow perfected. But if you're like me, it's glow perfected. Like that. And then underneath that, it says Bounce Magic Fit Bronzer and Highlighter Duo. Creamy, easy to blend textures for a natural, never streaky glow. pH Bronze Adjust technology creates a subtle, customized bronze. And so I can read this too. Expertly paired duos and 4 options to flatter every skin tone. I hope they pick one that would look good on me. MSRP $32 USD. Damn, and this is mini BeautyBlender. Let's see what I got. I got this one. I mean, they usually ask you in the things what looks similar to yours. I actually got medium. It looks like a sample version because it says not for resale. I only know this because I've worked in retail. And I worked in a beauty store for a while. A hot minute. And I don't think I'm medium, but maybe in the summer I was more of a medium. Right now I don't know what this is. Darker than I normally am. I was, but not. I'm still very light, but it's okay. And so the medium is highlighter. The highlighter for medium shade is champagne. Maybe that was the one that I picked anyway. And then bronzer is topaz. Bounce. Bronzer, highlighter, magic fit, creamy bronzer, and highlighter duo. Not in English. Something, probably the same thing. Experience is covered. The next word, so I can't read it, and that's okay. We're good to go. Directions. Apply bronzer on any areas you want to define, then dab highlighter on the high points of the face. I was going to do my nose because I have a little brush over there in my room that's clean, ready to be dirty. And then like use my fingers maybe to do some highlighting, you know, a little touch, and try that there. And then it says, okay, apply bronzer on any areas you want to define. Then dab highlighter to the high points of the face. Blend out with a damp beauty blender for a flawless finish. I don't think I have any in here and I'm not going to get them. So we're going to use my fingers and a little brush. Okay? Okay. Yeah, I don't feel like going all the way in my office right now to get them. So we're going to hang out here. Buildable coverage, brightens, hydrates, PETA approved, vegan, global animal test policy, and then other stuff. Probably really hard for you to say. Very hard for you to say. And if you don't believe me, whoa. Can't get it to focus. Focus. That's not going to focus. I think this necessarily is like a nose brush, but I guess it could be a nose contour brush. It's from Real Techniques. I'm just going to set it there for now. And I'm opening this up. When you cut it open, like I did, it says, thank you, or excuse me, thank me later, gotta bounce. That's cute. XO Rhiann or Rhea Ann, don't know who she is, but it says she's the founder and creator of BeautyBlender. Aw, thanks, Rhea Ann. Or Rhiann. How do you say it? I don't know. I don't know her. I've never met her before. Would be nice though, wouldn't it? It probably would be. So I could say thank you for the $32 bronzer highlighter duo that I got for free for my honest opinion and review. So yeah, this is cute. Maybe it's not me. To me, it looks like a me. Right, we all know about it. Champagne and topaz. And that's the... I always like to know what it smells like. Not much. There's a says, please remove film on this little itty bitty mirror, which is dirty, but that's okay because I don't need it right now. I have my other mirror right up here. And then you twist this like, oh shoot. So I'm going to close. So that's the highlighter actually. I just realized. And then you open it up like this. It's kind of moving. I hope it doesn't fall out. And then this is the creamy bronzer. It doesn't look too dark. In all honesty, and bronzer is supposed to be a little darker anyway, because you want to bronze. So we'll see. So that's the bronzer. It's very similar shade to the top of the packaging. And this one, the highlighter, is a dark champagne. It is complementary to the packaging, I would say. And so we're going to do the bronzer first. Let me get this back open for you. And I got my little brush. And I'm gently getting this on my brush. Probably can't see this because I'm making it here. Can you see it? I was trying to put the light on, but it wouldn't work. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to just outline my nose a little. I didn't mean to do that. I don't know how I'm gonna do this without my sponge, and I don't have any bigger brushes in here. I'm gonna just do something with my finger. I don't know. I don't have any issues really with my nose, so. I'm just making a mess. The hell, the box is alive. This is the box. I do have these little pod thingies, but they're still not right. So I'm going to use my finger. Try to blend it out nice and lightly. We're going to get our hands dirty for this one. Looks pretty decent for like a finger job. To be honest, in person, it looks really nice. You probably can't tell, but in person, it looks really nice. I could see a touch of the shade, you know, like a touch of color, a touch of bronziness, but it's complementary to whatever my shade is right now. Almost pale. Yeah, I can't see it in there. And then I'll just leave my brush for now. I'm going to try the highlighter. It feels so creamy, but I'm afraid it's gonna fall out. Oh no, it fell out! I knew it! I knew it, Influencer. You're gonna give me a broken one. I knew it. I'm not putting it on my face now. I picked it up with a tissue. But at least there's like a little bit left in here. I knew it. $32 down the drain. I'm glad I got this for free. That's what I got for going. Alright, so I got a little bit on my finger and I'm going to put it where it needs to go. Right up here. If you buy this, be very careful. This is like really nothing really. It's like glue. I got glue on my finger. And I'm not touching the one from that was on the floor. I'm not touching that one. Or I'm not putting it on my face. Well, now I know the bronzer is pretty good. If you want to do your nose contour, pretty good. But this is all I have left of the highlighter. I'm sad. Very sad. Because I would have liked it. I was like, it feels like it's falling out. And there it went. I'm going to take some pictures in like much better lighting than this and show you what I look like. Okay. But thank you again for sitting by or stopping by and watching my video. And I will see you again soon with something else. What's today, Thursday? Oh, it's Thursday. You'll probably see this next Wednesday. And I will see you all later. Bye. Oh, before I go, please subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World. It's my world. Okay. Thanks again, Influencer. And I would have liked a highlighter that did not do that. And thank you, BeautyBlender, for giving me a chance to try your highlighter and your bronzer. Bye.